To unpause your YouTube history on TV, you can follow a few simple steps. If you have paused your watch history, which stops YouTube from saving your viewing history, you can easily undo this by accessing the History section. Start by opening the YouTube app on your TV and selecting the three bars icon located at the top left of the home screen. From there, click on History in the left panel, which is situated above the playlist on the right-hand side. You will see the option to unpause or turn on your watch history. Click on this. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to confirm your choice. Click Turn On to proceed. Once you've completed these steps, your watch history will be saved on YouTube. This process allows you to easily unpause your YouTube history on TV, ensuring that your viewing history is recorded moving forward.